SP4 acupuncture point, also known as Gongsun in Chinese, and in English it is known as grandfather and grandson. SP4 is a wonderful point for the spirit of earth. It is a Leo connecting point, opening point of the penetrating vessel. Its direct connection with Chongmai or penetrating vessel and indirect connection with pre and post heavenly energy give a sense of continuity through the generations and the promise of future. Ancestor and descendant is yet another name for this point, which implies a continuity of nourishment through generations from past and present to future. The spleen works for the continuity of our life through renewing our essences and energy. Essences help provide the necessary environment for the spirits. All the richness of penetrating vessel and spleen energy in the production of blood and energy with responsibility for distribution and nutrition brings a sense of abundance and flourishing of being able to prepare and nourish. If a person is feeling sorry for himself, oppressed and overwhelmed, this point will bring strength and trust. This point nourishes the mind and spirit when oppressed, ground down or weak, chronic tiredness and weakness. SP4 can be used to clear retention of damp in the epigastrium, stagnation of blood in the stomach, clear stomach heat and counterflow stomach energy. Good functioning of the stomach and spleen enables us to experience the 5 tastes. It is a useful point when there is chronic tiredness and weakness with weak digestion and constitution, anxiety and depression. SP4 activates Chongmai or penetrating vessel. Penetrating vessel enters the uterus and regulates menstruation, stops bleeding. This point enhances the effect of holding the blood, which is a spleen function. In activating the penetrating vessel, this point can affect the circulation in the meridian as well as the small capillaries like vessels pertaining to the penetrating vessel, which diffuse over the chest and abdomen. SP4 is useful when there is blood deficiency and stagnation in the uterus or lower womb, leading to painful and irregular periods, endometriosis, fibroids, abdominal masses, and pain or distension. SP4 helps problems of circulation in legs due to stagnation of energy and blood.